How to delete your blockchain.com account. If you wish to delete your account on blockchain.com, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. Now all we have to do for this is simply launch the blockchain.com app and then make sure to log into your account. Once you log into your account, this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Then what you want to do is simply tap on the profile icon located at the top left hand side of the screen. When you tap the profile icon from the top left, you will be taken to your settings page. Now from settings, to delete our account, you simply have to scroll down all the way to the button, and then here you can see it says danger zone and it says delete account in the red text. So what we have to do is tap on the delete account button and just select a reason as to why you want to delete it, and this will show you a disclaimer what else is going to be deleted with your account. Then you can just tap the done button to finish the confirmation process. After you do this, your blockchain account will be successfully deleted. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.